Hello, good morning, Ohio Real Estate. So ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa mismong site ng coming project ng Damosalan, which is the Kahi. So mismong site here. So nagkakaroon kami ng walkthrough ng mismong project. So we are so excited. So many brokers here around Mindanao are gathered kasi 40 premium lots, 48 premium lots, and the 12 lots already naka-hold, naka-LOI na. So kung sino pa ang gusto, boss, alam mo na sino ka, dito tayo boss. So nandito kami ngayon, we will having our walkthrough sa mismong site ng Kahi Estate, Davao, here at Puan, Davao City. Okay? Keep safe everyone, and ayan na, mag-umpisa na kami. Bye bye for now. God bless.